Hi, I'm Angela. I'm a product specialist at Mother's Choice Products. I want to talk to you today about breast pumping during the COVID-19 pandemic. What I want to talk to you about today is the Ameda Platinum Pump, the Ameda Finesse, and the Ameda HygieniKit, and how they can make your life hopefully a little bit easier during this difficult time. The Ameda Platinum Pump, you may see depending on which hospital you give birth in. If they give you a breast pump, this might be one of the ones you get. The Ameda HygieniKit is unique. It offers a closed system. So what that means is this is a viral barrier. So this is a patented piece of equipment that protects your milk against known viruses, such as HIV, hepatitis C, and hepatitis B, for example. We don't know how it works against COVID-19 yet because there has been no testing. One thing we do know is that the CDC has been doing testing, and so far, no virus has shown up in mother's milk, even if the mother is infected with COVID-19. So this HygieniKit with this patented viral barrier works with the Ameda Finesse. The Ameda Finesse and the Ameda Purely Yours, not shown here, you can purchase at home. The same HygieniKit that the hospital trusts is the same HygieniKit that you can use with your kid at home. So you can rest assured that your milk will be kept as safe as possible. So this viral barrier that protects your milk not only protects the baby and the mom from milk contamination, it also protects the pump. No moisture or anything, condensation can get into the tubing. So that makes your milk very safe. To clean these parts, it's very straightforward. You take off your adapter cap, and you can just wash and boil these 4 things if you want a little bit of extra protection or extra cleanliness in your milk. The viral barrier, the flange, the bottle, and your valve. Remove your valve carefully. Just give a little tug. It's a silicone valve as well. All you need to do is rinse this. You don't need to scrub it. Keep it lasting as long as possible by taking care of them. Wash all 4 parts with warm soapy water. Put them in a pot of boiling water for 20 minutes. Let them air dry. Reassemble the kit, and you're ready to go for your next pumping session. I hope this helps make things a little bit easier for you in this really challenging time. Thank you very much.